Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a matcha latte. I know we're in the coffee kitchen, but I wanted to introduce you to our sister brand Tea Direct. You can head over to our website teadirect.co.uk to find hundreds of blends of tea. Today I'm using Tea Direct's Matcha blend. Matcha is a finely ground powder of specially grown green tea leaves. Matcha has multiple health benefits, which is one of the reasons why it's become such a popular ingredient over recent years. The recipe is really simple and quick to make. You only need 3 ingredients and you need minimal equipment. So you will need a 1/4 cup of boiling water. You'll need a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. It will need to be preheated, so you can either heat it on the hob in a saucepan or in the microwave. And you'll also need either 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of matcha powder of your choice. It depends how strong you like the drink and the flavour, and that depends how much you'll put into the recipe. You'll also need a small whisk and you'll need your mug to make your drink in. Okay, so now I'm going to start making the recipe and show you what you need to do. To start with, add the chosen quantity of matcha green tea powder to your mug. Just to mention as well, we did sieve our powder beforehand just to make sure it's extra fine. You'll then need to add your boiling water to your mug. As soon as you've added the water, whisk it briskly until you form a slightly thicker, frothy mixture. So when the mixture's slightly started to thicken and you're starting to see bubbles on the surface, add your coconut milk. And then mix it all up thoroughly. If you like your drink a little bit sweeter, you can add a sweetener of your choice. So you can add sugar, stevia, maple syrup if you choose, and then your drink is ready to go. Okay, so there you go, there's the finished drink. I'm sorry things got a little bit messy back here. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and that you enjoy trying it at home. Let us know what you think. We'd love to see pictures of your own matcha blends at home. Tag us on Instagram, share it on social, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.